All right, y'all. This is what you want. I know it might be a bad time if you don't have no dry powder, but these are pullbacks that you want. Um, all I know is yesterday Meta had good earnings, so the Meta is up. META, like we say, Meta is up. They had good earnings. Meta at $722, and Microsoft, which tanked the MSFT, which tanked the tech sector. Amazon, everything came down a little bit too. Microsoft had bad earnings, down 11.95%. Definitely go get you some Microsoft. Buy the pullbacks. They're not going anywhere. AI is real. But y'all subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, watch my recent videos, share my channel also. It's the time you want to be. Don't worry about it. Stock market is like a roller coaster ride. Go up and down, up and down, up and down. On the pullbacks, buy the dips, pullbacks. I'm not saying load up, but lower your average cost. You always want to lower your average cost every chance you get. Lower your average cost. All right, we're going to start with YMAX. It's pay out every week. This is cash flow. YMAX always play above the $10 mark, but lately it was doing the 980-ish. It'll go up. If you look at the last week, it was up, down, but now today it's down. It just what it is. Like I said, I just buy the dips on it, not loading up. I did catch a couple shares today because I had a buy limit order in from a long time ago. I'm in the wrong portfolio. I don't know why it's over here, but individual. Yesterday I did 3 shares. I got 3 shares at night. Well, I brought $38 worth at 9.56. I meant to do $3, but hit the 3 and the 8. How that happened, I don't know. But I caught some shares at 9.75. 3 shares there. But anyway, 9.51 got down to 9.46. You see I got a dividend payment coming to $105.96. That's why I would usually just buy. I'm stopped doing buy limit orders in this portfolio. I'm just buy fractional shares. I got $106 to say. I'm gonna do $3 at a time. Reinvest some and spend the rest on other dividend plays or whatever. Anyway, we got YMAX. Like I said, you got to buy the dip. YMAX will shoot back up quick. Before you know it, it'll be back at $9.90. Like I say, also you got the shutdown going on tonight. I didn't see any headlines, or get any notification, but they got to get that solved by the night, by 12 o'clock a.m. If not, the government gonna shut down again. These stocks definitely gonna come on down. 1386 on YMAG. Like I say, not loading up on nothing. I did load up on YMAX. Like I say, I had some buy limit orders there, so I loaded up on some other portfolio too with it. QQQY, another one pay out every week. Options on the QQQ. I brought some of this at 24.05. I had a buy limit order, or 23.04. Right, actually that was the actual price. Matter of fact, I can show you now. I got this on the dollar day recurring. There we go, 23.07, January 29th, 10:50 a.m. Got 5 shares there. So that's how I do it. This one, the lower that average cost, I'm at 26.52. This trade the NASDAQ 100. I'm going to go in at 23.04. I'm going to load up at this point here. It pays out every week, so I don't care. I get my return by next week. I want to lower the average cost. Right now, I'm at 26.52. We're going to go with IWMY also while I'm thinking about it. Got down to $19.99 today. 1969 is the low. 1999, I'm going in. Give me 5 shares of that one. That pays out every week too. At a $22.16 average cost. They say this when you want to load up. This the time you want to do it. All right, we're going to go with Coney. Know this one been getting whooped. Am I buying a full share? Surely not. I already got $5 worth today. Gonna reinvest the dividends back into it. And like I said, when Bitcoin go up, Coney gonna go up, and all the alternative cryptocurrency gonna go up with it. MSFO came down with Microsoft, 1352. I already got like $10 worth today. Gonna go get another 3 right there. That's weekly cash flow. One thing about these weekly cash flow plays and these yield maxes, if you listen to me, if you ever get tired of buying them and trading them, stop buying them. Don't sell it. You still gonna get your dividends every week. Reinvest your dividends into your new stock you like. The yield max is gonna give you a lifetime of income. The income plays. Every week, just reinvest the dividends into the new stock that you like. That's all you got to do. Wendy's got down, I think, 773 today. New 52-week low. I bought a couple shares here. Like, remember, I got 2 positions in this one. I loaded up on my other one. Buying some right here, though. Got Bull. Weeble got down to 728. Back up at 739 now. Go get some growth stocks to go at those big purchases I made today. Netflix, NFLX. Y'all make sure y'all go get some of this. Gonna be down. This your loading zone right here. This your accumulation point. Get your Netflix. Netflix ain't going nowhere, believe me. I don't care how bad this economy get. People gonna find $12 and $29 to watch Netflix. All right. Arca Aviation. I brought 5 shares earlier. Brought $5 worth outside of that. I'm gonna go get another $2 worth right here. $3 worth. I gotta tell you, this is a long-term play. Got a 52-week high of $14. MSTY, MicroStrategy and Bitcoin go together. I always remember that. And just throwing some of the dividends back into it. Like I say, on down days, I got it on a $1 recurring though. CHPT, 627 charge point. I know they make the charge stations for EVs. They might be down for a second. When they be able to get a loan when the interest rates go down, that'll help benefit them too. BTCC 1990. I brought 1 share, about to go get me another one. 1985. It's more cash flow. BTCC pay out every week. OXLC go in at $13.50. I'm at 13,663. I had a bunch of orders triggers at 13.50. This pay out every month. Got about a 28% dividend yield. One of my favorite plays, no matter what nobody say. As long as you reinvest the dividends back when this dips, bring down your average cost, you'll be all right. State Street, dividend yield 6.666, but I think it's 7.58 on Cash App. But this pay out every month. Go get you some of this at these prices. TSCO, Tractor Supply Company. They did a reverse stock split. So right now it's looking like the 52-week low is 46.85 with a high 63.99. Go get you some of that at 51.01. The stock here don't do nothing but go up. They in all the urban areas or the outside areas where they don't have a Netflix, not what I'm talking about, net Lowe's and Home Depot. They either gonna have a Tractor Supply Company or Ace Hardware. But this the max. All it does is go up. Gonna go with Clip. You know, this pays out every month between 60 and 66 cents a share. Ain't loading up. I load up at 30 and under. But definitely one I do like since the reverse stock split. This has been maintaining very well. Excuse me. Look at the last year stable. When you see that big dip down there, that's what happened in like November. And remember we had a big dip in April too. LFT, y'all know this is a swing trade down to 133 today. 52-week low is 130. I'm at 173. This usually go up to about 148. Get aggressive, get me 10 shares today. HRZN. Buying up cash flow, man. We'll get $2 worth. It's down today, 11 cents a share a month. I get like $143 from this play every month. Just give it a little bit back to it. The lower the average cost. Waiting for this thing to go to $6. I hope it never do. Just stay where it's at, and I just piece it together. So we ain't got to worry about no dividend cuts, even though they still might have one. ABR got down to 770 today. Definitely got to go pick up some of these this year too. Nope. Put this on 24 hours. I sold RYLD, so need to get me another dividend play, and that's why I did it, because this one here and some other one I said I'm going to dollar cost average on in. Like YMAX also. The risk is worth the reward. NFLY. Netflix down. You got to go get you some of this. Pay out every week. $13.24. We got IWMY. Gonna go with SoFi Banking. $24.05. A little $5 worth of that. Got my 18 shares, building that up slowly. This is gonna be a perfect long-term play. You got to be looking for the long term. You can't be looking at now. Nike down some today. I don't like the shoe apparel. I'm going to tell you in the future, I'm going to get out of Nike. Nike's supposed to have good earnings coming up on the next earnings. I'm lowering my average cost now. When they squeeze and I get up, I'm out. I ain't worrying about it. I'm done with it. There's too much competition in the apparel industry dealing with shoes and clothes. So I'm gonna be out. I never like I never liked the clothes, and I never liked restaurants. Which Wendy's gonna be one of the next ones I'm gonna get out of. But Wendy's got such a high dividend yield, and people like Wendy's, so it's like a stock just a half for the dividend. Got like a 9.28% yield. Right about now, even after the dividend cut, got YBit, this Bitcoin. These Bitcoin down. I don't want to own the coin. I want to get paid for holding the synthetic shares. By holding the coin, you're not getting nothing. You just holding it with an unrealized gain. A loss, BDN, I want to get paid for holding shares. Remember, I don't care what nobody say, cash flow is king, man. You're replacing your money every 30 days without doing nothing. Cash flow is the most passive, especially stock dividends, the most passive form of cash flow you can ever get. Don't believe the hype when they say real estate. Trust me, a lot of people, real estate was so great. Why everybody get in it and get out? I like real estate now. I'm not knocking it. But everybody don't have a stomach for it. BDN, I'm going in at 276, 2.76. Gonna buy this cash flow up too. If you're not in this one, stay out of it. Because this REIT is volatile. And another one I went and brought some is COF, Capital One. I told you I like the credit card companies. Visa, ticker V, MasterCard, ticker MA, Capital One, COF, and American Express, AXP. So they got a 52-week high of $259.64. So buying that one, definitely one I like. Let's go check out traps, man. We can do this one too, though. Look at QDTE and XDTE. That's the NASDAQ 100 also. Just the round hill version. All you need is one. I got both. They both pay out every week. That's why I got them. They weekly payers. We can look at XDTE2 while we're here. Like, I love every week. Every day I get dividends. I mean, I get dividends every day of the week. People might say, man, you got too many positions. That's fine. That's how I want it. Because I get paid every day. There's not one day in the market that go Monday to Friday that I don't get a dividend in this portfolio here. Let's check with RDTE. That's another reason why I wasn't nothing wrong with RYLD. I actually look forward to getting back into it. But this one pays every week and got a higher dividend yield. So that's why I went this route here. I'm saying it goes down. I, buy a little bit. RYLD. I think the most it got up to was 1570. I sold like 1564 or something. I still got my position here. Just saying, if this thing go under 1450, I'm buying. And to do another swing trade with it. Especially if I can make $1 a share. I go get me 100 shares. I might go get 1,000 shares, to be honest, and just keep it. All right, let's go check out traps. Just use margin. When it go back up to 1570, sell it. And while I'm holding it, I get that dividend yield, that 12% yield. I need to go in tonight on bank stocks, how they looking. I thought about setting all my bank stocks to the 52-week high and just getting out of banking. Like I say, stick to the credit card companies. 52-week high, 56.70. That's what I'm thinking about doing. But these PE rate ratios so low. Like, all these look like they got room more to run. 3.66% yield. People still got the bank stocks as bad. Look at these. The bank stocks green today. Huntington Bank. 17.12. 52-week high. 18.91. 78% buy. I don't know, depending on how much more they're able to go up. That's going to be the point. Another one, if you want to be boring, put this on a $1 day recurring. AGNC been paying 12 cents a share every month ever since I've been trading it. Since 2020, never had a dividend cut since then. Right now it's high, too high for me. I like it at $9.25 and under. Prefer $9 and under. IP International Paper had bad earnings. This one here coming down, but this just a dividend play for me, 4.46%. I thought about making my exit, but at least I want to do it around the 52-week high. 58.98 is at right now. MO, Altria Group had bad earnings. Also, I got a good foundation at 41.55, so I just keep it for the dividend. KHC 2308. You can go get some of that. 6.8% dividend yield. People gonna buy this just because of the dividend. They feel it's safer than buying the other stuff. I mean, you taking the risk with everything, but Know they gonna chase the yield on that one. I did go get some of the Dow. It's at $26. Not low, but waiting on that to squeeze. SRC I like, pay out every month, 10 cents a share a month, 10 point something percent, 11% yield now. But we at 1483. Hard to catch this one while it's down. Really hard to catch this one under $15, to be honest. OBDC 1206. I'm at 1270. Pick up some of that. Nice quarterly pair, BDC. What PMT doing? 1342. I'm at 1169. I keep this for the dividend. 11.87% yield. Morgan Stanley Bank stock. No, I'm up in that one. INTC, I'm good. Liner Basel, I'm good. Should be. I'm at 48. It's at 49. It's a dividend play. 10.8% yield. They supposed to be recycling their products to save money. Redwood Trust got a 12% dividend yield. Another nice one to have. The RVSB, I like this under $5. I'm at $5.59. That come down. Another bank stock I'm a dump. AFCG, haven't brought any of this in a while. 236. 52-week low is 231. It's at 235 today. It has right now 34.96% yield, pay out every quarter. Do I have any buy limit orders in? I should have one at the 25 at 231. Get some today at 235 since it's down. Buy some cash flow there. Need to lower my average calls, like I say. So when this get in the driver's seat and squeeze, I can get up out of this one too. I'm at 329 for average calls. ORC got up to they got earnings today. They got up to $8.40 today. This is supposed to go to $9. I want to take that profit. Look at that profit there, that $11.70 I got. I'm thinking about just taking my initial investment, $7.22 times $11.50 times about $8.40. Take what I got out and leave the rest for the dividend. SLVO, no, we're not touching. NLY had good earnings on yesterday. They're like, this ain't gonna do nothing but go up. Gold going up. SDIV, Two Harbors, we still positive. AMZY, Amazon, options on Amazon, pay you every week. Like, you can get the yield max and just put them on a $1 day recurring, be honest, and just reinvest the dividends. Build it up slowly. You ain't got to watch it. We got MSFO, ARR. I'm waiting on this to get to 1921, and I'm going to sell some of it. But right now, that dividend good. FSK, that one down, 1386. Nice monthly payer there. Lower my average cost. YMAG, we got that. Now we're looking with NVDY 1445. Video wasn't coming down like that. That's why it really haven't been bothering it. Do I have this on recurring? No, I don't. 1350. So let that ride and just spend the dividends to another play with that one. Got IWMY, QQQY. We got Wendy's. GOOY, we good. Got XDTE, QD. Waste Management had bad earnings yesterday, which I'm just keeping this right here. 52-week high is 242 with a low of 194. Waste Management, if you listen to them, it's a boring stock. It don't do nothing but go up though. Somebody got to deal with the trash. It's on the pullback. I'm gonna buy some. Cause it don't do nothing but go up. We got YMAX FEPI. That's the one I was thinking about. 43.81. I'm at 45. $10 worth of FEPI. FEPI pay out every week or every month. There's a little more cash flow there. On the down days, we got Clip. SVOLs, we still good here. This is a nice monthly pair. You can get it at $16.75 and under, preferably 17 and under. I'm at $16.44. XPay been getting hit. Not that one, WPay. So we good here. AIPI got a discount today, $37.82. $10 worth for that. AIPI pays out every week. Lower my average cost. I'm at $39.85 now. CHPY. A little bit of discount, which I'm up. So we'll leave that one alone. And QQQI 53.90. 53.06. Leave that one alone. We got Bull Hood, SoFi, GPTY, 41.51. This one also pays out every week. Different option ETFs. I like these better because I don't have time to do no options. BTCC we got. Let's check and see if they let you do a full a fractional share now. No, they don't. That's what sucks about them. You went back to that full share thing. But we got one already set. LFGY 25.10. This one down today. Like I say, don't load up on nothing. Just get your little $3, $5, $2. ULTY down 1.83%. They've been doing good, paying like at least 50 cents a share every month. A little piece of that. Ain't worrying about Tesla. Cause Tesla trading high. AIYY had a nice run on yesterday. Now down 5.7%. That's doing options on artificial intelligence. Like I said, I'm going to bring down my average calls with these yield max as long as they don't fall too much, keep coming down. But one day I'm going to just give up on them. And I got so much cash flow coming in that PYPY is another one. Keep making new 52-week lows. But today a down day for everything, so can't really knock it today. These are all the stuff I brought over from my Webull portfolio. We got ACHR. TDAC when I started, dollar day recurring. It's another option. ETF payout every month on the NASDAQ 100. I got it on the dollar a day recurring. Got a 17% dividend yield. Going to get $1 right now and watch that. And that's it, man. Sorry for the long trade, but that's how it be on these kind of days. Man, it is what it is. You're going to have to put in time in the market, or you could do like I say, find the stocks you like, set it on a dollar a day recurring, $5 a day. And you don't have to watch nothing. You can check your stocks on the weekends or once a week, and let that be that. Signing off. Go get your money.